Hello everyone, welcome back to Lindsay's Builds. Well, thought I'd do a video. So today I went in my work in progress drawer and I picked out this resin kit. I've had it a good year or more, and basically it was supposed to be from some sci-fi film. Yeah. So some of it weren't any good. Like the cockpit was all ruined and everything else. So I thought, what I'm going to do, I'm going to kit bash this thing. So I've been busy all day kit bashing. I haven't finished it yet, but yeah, I've got some filling to do now, but not too much. So I'll go down camera and I'll let you look. So here it is. So this is what I've come up with. So originally it should have been from I think it's Babylon 5 or something. The actual base bit actually looked like something to do with Cylons or something like that. I don't know, but yeah. So I thought, rather than chuck it away, I'll kit bash it. So I went in my stash, got my kit bash boxes, and I've got a few old models in there as well. So I discarded the old cockpit, got rid of it, and I had this old space shuttle, old for Airfix. I think it was either Airfix or Rebel Space Shuttle. So I kit bashed it to this, and also I've used some Warhammer parts, Necron parts and stuff like that, and it's coming along. I've got little bits of filling to do, nothing drastic, but yeah, I think it looks okay. I think it looks pretty cool. I've got to build some kind of undercarriage for it, some like landing legs. So I'm going to have another shufty through my Warhammer boxes and see what I can come up with. But yeah, it's not looking too bad. So I gave it a shot of primer and stuff like that. So it's got part of a shuttle. It's got some lifeboats from 1350 or 1700, I think they are. I put them down the side here. These are Necron parts. These are like gun belts off big bolters, stuff like that. These are like Necron laser cannon weapons. These are from the Sisters of Battle rockets. So yeah, I think it looks pretty interesting. I put some air intakes in there and stuff like that. So it doesn't look too bad. So it's just a little quick video. It's a little update on it. I'll say I've got a little bit of filling. I've got some filling to do around here, around the sides, around here. Got a little bit of filling on these wings. Originally these wings that should have come up, but I've fixed winged it. So so I've got to smooth this out a little bit more, fill it all in down there. Same with the underside. I've left these holes here for some landing legs. So yeah, it's pretty interesting really. It's amazing what you can knock up in 2 or 3 hours, to be honest. So it's different, isn't it? So not sure what colour I'm going to spray this thing eventually when I do get it prepared and everything else. The glass I shall put crystal clear in here for the glass. So that'll be the last thing I shall do. But I've gone with the standard engines that was on it. So haven't put any extra ones around it. I didn't think it needed. I didn't put too much armour on it. So if you put too much on it, you would sit and think, well, how would that take off, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it's not too bad. It's coming along. This is from one of those Canoptech spiders, one with the big tentacles on. This is off the back of the space shuttle. It's got a little bit of filling to do around here. These are the original bits that was on it. But yeah, it's I think I'll call this the INSTGATER. Just for Panzer. Yeah, I'll call it the INSTGATER. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. But I've got a little bit of filling around here just to make it smoother. But other than that, there's not too much filling really. But I've gave it a shot of primer just to see where it's got to be filled. But I don't want to overcrowd it. So I think that'll be it for parts on the top. All I've got to do is just try and make some landing legs for it. So yeah. So there you go, guys. It's the what I call the INSTGATER. So it's a kit bash. So I'm going to name it after Panzer because he's the INSTGATER. So yeah. So there you go, guys. Just thought I'd do a quick little video. So we'll go cameras up. So there we go. That's that little build. It's amazing what you can knock up in about 3 hours. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's why they call me the Mad Dog. Yeah, crazy man. But yeah, it's not too bad. So not too sure what colour I'm going to paint this thing yet. So that could be interesting too. I've got a little stand for it. So about 172. I think it's a 172 stand, something like that. So it's from an old kit. So yeah, it'll go on that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this little video. So yeah. So let's stop waffling. See you all soon. Hope to see you on the next one. So it's from Lindsay's Build. Have a good day. See you all soon. Bye bye for now.